have quite the Dollar Tree haul for you. Fall stuff, all kinds of fun goodies, and a couple things that I want to do a DIY with. And so let's just jump in. Don't forget to enter the big September subscriber giveaway linked below. The drawing is September 30th, so you don't want to miss that. And if you're new, welcome. Please post hi below and where you're from. I'd love to meet you. If you're my YouTube family already, thank you for joining. Welcome back. Let's see what all I found at Dollar Tree. My Dollar Tree is a Dollar Tree Plus. So there's the $1.25 items, the $3 items, and the $5 items. So I get excited when I find some goodies, and that's Hondo. Hondo, get out of the bags, you know. Oh. Anyway, I did find a lot of fun $1.25 items. This one, a couple of signs, is so cute. I'm going to put it in the middle of my garland, that one. And then look at this cute pumpkin patch sign. It's time for fall. I'm so excited. And then these two signs were adorable. Aren't these cute? Have you seen these at your store? This one says pumpkin patch, 5 cents a pound, you pick. And then this one, of course, is farm fresh pumpkins, pick your own. And I did find some fun stencils. Now, the fun thing about these stencils is they're self-adhesive. I like to point that out to you, because that way you don't have to spray anything on the back of them to use them, and they stick already. So you can use these. It says pumpkin patch, welcome home pumpkin, has the pumpkins at the bottom, has fall. Really, really cute. And of course you can cover any of the part that you don't want to use, and you know, protect that part. Then they did have some cute gnome fall stickers. I got 2 just because. Aren't they cute? I love those. I did pick up some fun pumpkins and a couple of placemats. I like to make pillows out of these, and so I did get a couple. I make no-sew pillows with the cloth placemats. And if you haven't seen those videos, they're in my fall playlist. I can link it below too, or put it in a card. All right, next I want to show you this. So to go along with my garland that I'm putting together, create your own, I guess, is look at this cute set of pumpkins that are already on a garland. So they were $3 at the Dollar Tree. I did pick up a light. I use these to make snowmen, and sometimes they're out of them. So when I make a glass globe snowman, I like to put a light in the bottom and it shines up through. It's really pretty. All right, then I did pick up this cute little timer. It's for Kids Church. And have you seen these hand sealers? I want to try that. It says it takes 2 AA batteries, so I'm gonna have to try that out. I do have a big sealer, but you know, not all jobs are big. So next I found a couple of fun little jars. These are really cute. This is the purple, and this is the kind of a smoky gray, and they have them with the Halloween things, but I was thinking more of some kind of fun storage or something like that. And then I picked up some flowers because I wanted to add to my garland. I may not use it all for that. I usually do pick up fall leaves. These are a package of maple leaves, and you get 50 per pack. I like to use those a lot. Then I did get a couple of things. Really good for stocking stuffers, but also good for the kids' treasure chest at church. And I have another one of these, but I was thinking of journals, and they have fat squares for $5. So you get 5 pieces. These are the fat quarters, I mean. And so you get the different types of plaids. These are the reds, and then I picked up the greens somewhere. Oh, here they are. And the greens. So I thought that that was a good deal. $1 a piece. That's a pretty good deal. Or about that much at your local discount store. Then these cute little trucks are clothespins. They're just waiting to be painted. Another thing that I wanted to do was remake some little note boards that I made before. It was a really huge hit. And if you are interested, I'll link that video below as well. But I wanted to remake them maybe for this season. So you'll see how that goes. And then I picked up some pearl thumbtacks, which are cute. And some matches, just normal stuff. Some fun glitter. Isn't that cute glitter? And then I did pick up one of these fun sticky note packages. I add to my daily these little fun notes, so I went ahead and picked that one up. And then they had these fun velvet thumbtacks, so I did pick those up as well. And some gum, so you don't really need to see the gum. Anyway, I've got that. Also, for fall, which is fun to add to your fall decor, your wreaths, that kind of thing, is this little sign here with the maple leaf and then fall blessings, all separated, but you can take them apart and use them in your decorations as well as leave them together. And then falling leaves, I thought this was adorable, and it is perfect for the kitchen, which I already am working on the decorating for the kitchen. And that is what Hondo's been looking for. It's a little bone. All right, the next thing that I picked up is some of this deco mesh to go with my wreath, my garland as well, just to add a little something extra. And then I picked up a couple of these vases. I'm gonna paint them and I'll show you what I'm gonna do, but isn't that a pretty one? So I will show you that. There'll be a mystery. And then lastly, just some containers for organization, some storage containers, and then some for the kitchen. And so that's all. That's a great haul. I don't know what your favorite thing is, but I really enjoy finding awesome deals at Dollar Tree. And let me know what you think. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.